Alrighty boys, welcome to the channel. My name is Prince. If everything ends up working out the way I want it to, this should be the first video on the channel, so if you're catching this one early, absolutely make sure to subscribe, leave a like on the video, all that good stuff that, YouTubers love to tell you to do. But today I wanted to make a short video. It's not going to be some crazy in-depth explanation, beginner's guide on how to trade meme coins or anything like that. Maybe I'll have some stuff like that in the future, but to be honest with you, and to be as candid with you as I can, if you're a viewer watching my channel, I'm probably in a similar boat to you. I haven't, broken free of the matrix yet or anything like that. I'm not, trading meme coins off a yacht or off of a penthouse balcony in Miami or anything like that. I'm a pretty average trader. I don't just trade meme coins. I do trade other things as well. I like to spot trade, and I'm getting into perpetual trading as well right now, trading perpetual futures. So as I start to learn more about that stuff, I can share with you guys what I learned along my journey, and hopefully it helps you guys as well. So like I said, if you're new around here, subscribe. And with all that out of the way, let's go ahead and get on into Axiom Pro, the main reason we're here making this video today. Now, to be honest with you, the main reason I wanted to make a video about Axiom Pro is because I know from experience that if you're new to the meme coin space, you're probably pretty familiar with this screen that we're looking at right now, and that's NeoVision on BullX, right? I'm sure we've all been shilled BullX a million times. There's a bit of a weird sort of market war going on between BullX and all the other trading platforms. It's very strange. But without boring you guys too much with the details, when I first got into trading meme coins, my biggest barrier wasn't not being a profitable trader or anything like that. My biggest barrier was that I spent about a month and a half just trying to figure out which platforms to use, which extensions to download, which trading bots to utilize and stuff like that, just because there was so much conflicting information going around, and quite frankly misleading information as well, because these people, they benefit from shilling BullX and Nova and whatever other bots or extensions might exist in this space. So a couple of seconds ago, we were just taking a look at NeoVision on BullX, and to be honest with you, dude, I have zero problem with the functionality of this platform. I have zero issue with any of that. I think it's a great platform for on the surface level for what it has to offer. The reason I stopped using it is because when I first got into trading meme coins, I feel like a big part of the reason I was so confused in terms of what platforms to use, what bots to use, and extensions to use, like I said before, is because of BullX and their aggressive market domination when it comes to the meme coin space. Let me give you a little bit more context on what I mean there. So when I first started trading meme coins a couple of months ago, one of the things that I kept hearing about over and over and over again was NovaBot, or the Nova extension. For those of you that don't know what the Nova extension is, it's basically just a tool that lets you get in and out of trades really quickly on different exchanges. Thanks to a couple of more modern decentralized exchanges that have come to the market in recent times, a bot like Nova isn't really as necessary as it used to be. As a matter of fact, we'll actually touch more on that in a couple of minutes. But yeah, the reason for all this context slash subtext is just to sort of let you guys know how my trading journey started with meme coins and how it was super confusing with me, largely because of the services, the applications, the extensions, and bots that are shilled to us all by the most popular KOLs in the space. And perhaps if you're going through the same confusion yourself right now that I experienced for probably the first month that I was getting into meme coins, then hopefully today we can help you solve a lot of those issues by getting you on Axiom Pro. Now, BullX has some super cool features, and like I said, their platform is absolutely functional for pretty much any level of trader. But in my opinion, I think Axiom Pro is by far the best platform for any beginner trader that's starting with a small port, that's looking to get in and out of trades as fast as possible as well. Earlier I mentioned before that we would touch a little bit more on how quick you can get in and out of trades nowadays without Nova. And actually, I'll go ahead and disable Nova really quickly just so we can see what this experience is like without Nova active at all. Basically, I just found out about this after probably 2 months of using Axiom. I just found out about this the other day. I never touched this little instant trade option down here because I didn't want to accidentally just ape in with like half a Solana or something like that onto a coin I didn't know anything about. But I guess that's not what this is. So this instant trade is something that's also on BullX that they copied from Axiom, just like they copied their Twitter tracker and their wallet tracker. This is complete fact. Verify it yourself if you want to. Axiom's been on the market for a little while now, and the reason you don't know about them is because they haven't been basically getting their partners into a stranglehold threatening to take away all of their partnership earnings if they don't solely stick with Bullex. Axiom has actually been going about their market capitalization in a more ethical manner. Now, that's one of the reasons that I use Axiom over Bullex, but it doesn't all just boil down to, the ethics of it all. I think that overall, Axiom is just a more user-friendly platform in general. I know that a lot of the functionalities that Bullex has recently implemented with their new update, Neo Bullex, came from Axiom, which is so funny, like their wallet tracker in particular. Not only that, but we were just looking at this instant trade feature as well, which basically eliminates the necessity for NovaBot, which, I mean, I don't know, man. If you want to use NovaBot, I don't blame you. For somebody like me that's just starting out as like a YouTube channel for the crypto space, I think it would be nothing but beneficial for somebody in that position, but I just don't really see the necessity. Maybe if I'm moving bigger volumes in the future, maybe I will consider it at that point, but I don't know. I've used the Axiom InstaTrade feature, and just for example, right now, if we enter in on this coin for like 0.05 SOL, it gets us in almost immediately. And I'm probably going to lose a little bit of SOL on this trade. Maybe I'll get a little bit profitable. Maybe I actually will. Maybe not. Maybe yes. Okay, I'm going to sell. Not profitable on that trade, unfortunately. But I probably could have held and actually held for a profit. But either way, that's a really good feature to have when you're using a small port. Like I'm only set in with these minimal trades. I have my priority fee set to 0. I have my bribe fee set to 0.001 SOL. That's like 20 or 30 cents right now. I mean, SOL's way down. Usually that'd be around $1, but yeah, anyways. Super useful feature to have if you have a small port size and you're not trying to get absolutely railed by Nova fees. But yeah, you have a bunch of different features on Axiom that are going to help you as especially a beginner meme coin trader. Like this dev migrated symbol, you have all of the different metrics that people literally used to have to pay to check with the meme coin for Telegram bots and stuff like that. But one really interesting feature that Axiom also has that I'm pretty sure Bullex still doesn't have to this day is they tell you how many times a Twitter that's linked to any meme coin, how many times that Twitter account has been recycled, how many times it's been reused. Now this is super useful because you don't even have to click on the coin to know, and you don't even have to click on the coin to see what the names of the previously used names of this Twitter account was. Now one thing that's really cool about Axiom as well that they offer that Bullex doesn't is a referral link for literally anybody that signs up. So if you have like 3 friends that want to sign up for trading on Axiom and you know they might want to trade 5-10 SOL worth maybe, there's a 30% referral rate for pretty much every trade that people that use your link make. So also just know that if you do sign up using the link below, you will be supporting the channel and I will really appreciate it. So now one really quick tip just to let you guys know if you are new, like I said before, to meme coin trading, there's a couple of different tabs that you can keep an eye on Axiom, and the main one you're going to want to keep an eye on is the pulse tab, obviously, because there's going to be the odd runner and new pairs every now and then that you're going to find if you know how to identify the right ones. There's going to be viable coins in the final stretch, and there's also going to be viable coins in the migrated section. So this is going to be a really good tab to keep an eye on within Axiom. But I've also found quite a few runners myself in the Discover tab, clicking on volume in particular. So this is just a little bit of a tips and tricks section of the video on how to navigate Axiom, I guess. I found quite a few coins clicking on volume on the Discover tab, trending 5 minutes. So if you guys ever want to see more content like this in the future, obviously I'm going to be learning more about this stuff as the market develops. You know, the next 4 years with Trump in office is going to be pretty crazy for crypto. I really don't think the market's going to have a crash like it did between 2021 and 2024. I think that this meme coin shit is only going to continue to develop. I could be completely wrong, but if I am right, then it's going to be a lot more for me to learn, a lot more for me to share with you guys. And like I said, if you guys are interested in signing up for Axiom, definitely use the channel link below in the description. It will support me big time and give me the opportunity to sort of reinvest whatever I earn from my referrals back into the channel, make the content more enjoyable for you guys. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you are new to the channel, like I said before, be sure to subscribe, leave a like on the video. That kind of stuff is going to help majorly as I'm trying to push my way into the algorithm here on a brand new channel. And thanks so much. I'm excited to share my journey, my trading journey with you guys. I'm trying not to sound cliche and gay about it, but like I am excited to share my trading journey with you guys. So anyways, man, thanks for watching. Let me know if you want to see more content like this. And with all that, I'm out of here.